So hello, welcome back to again. So now we are doing second part of our assignment, and now only two part is left: login and product page. So first of all, I am going to do login page. After that, we will do product page. So for login page, first we see what is said to us in the question. So yeah. So at here you can see the authentication will be done using API post request. Use fetch to make the API request and read the API document to find the credential for login. So for the login, we are going to first this link, and at this link you can see in the last login successful. For login successful, these two things are fixed. Okay, you need this email and this password for login. Okay, so we are going to use this email and this password. If both are matched, then we directly go to our product page and home page, you whatever you want to. So first of all, I am create a state. State is user and set user, and these are first of all initial state is blank, and now I am going to on change. In the on change we will set our set user is set user. Okay, so for initial we don't take initial stage. I am taking first of all email, and after that I am taking password. Yeah, so in the set user, first I will use pad operator user, and in the user I go when I got email, then I will update a dot target dot value. Yeah, so now our email is done, and now we are going to password. In the password we just only write here password. Okay, now we have both value password and email. So this is a form, in the form handle on submit. Okay, so here I am going to handle my submit form. Yeah, so in the written part all things are done. Okay, one second. Handle submit is not defined. Okay, now we are going to create a function handle submit. HN, okay. With the handle submit, first we create a arrow function, and as a parameter we have e. So this is a form, so that's why first we need use e dot prevent default. Okay, so now I am going to create a post request. Okay, for post request syntax you can go any site and website. I'm going to this site, and at here you can see the post request, and this is a body, and yeah, I take it all and I can change it. Yeah, so first of all URL, and the URL of our fetch request, I think I don't create URL. Yeah, I need to create a URL first. So This one is our URL. Okay, no, this one is not our URL. So, okay, for URL, we are going to our documentation, and yeah, at here you can see the post request URL, and we are going to use URL at here. Okay, why? What is happening, bro? I don't. Yeah, now we have method post and header is that and body. In the body, we don't use this one. We will use user at here. Then we have this one. Okay, now not consoling. We are going to use arrow function at here. But why body is giving error? Why body is giving error? Step one. So now we are going to check our email is correct or not. Okay, if our email is equal to okay, then at here we can see our login successful. If my email is equal to this one, and my password equal to city speaker. So if our password and email both are right, then what we'll do, first of all, I am going to import my auth context, and in the auth context, we need now login. If both are same, then we will run our login function. So first of all, I need to import my auth context. Const is auth and login. Now I am use context. In use context, I am import my auth context. Then for this, yeah. So after that, now we have login function. So if both are equal, then I will run login. Now if I go to login at here, yeah, all thing is right. So after we handle the submit, all things are now right. And I also write this res on at here. So if we send this parameter into login, then I also send a parameter a at here, and I am going to console log res. Okay, so now if I'm going to my React app, and at here I write this email Okay, and this password. Okay, dot prevent is not a function. Why it is giving us error? I'm going to log in. E dot prevent dot default. Okay, 1 second. I am taking from my. If I paste it at here, then I don't need to write again and again. That's why I directly okay. No. Hmm. 1 second. I am checking what are going here. Okay. And now if we are going to log in, first of all, I need to copy paste my password. Now I'm going to copy my email ID. If I click on the submit button and I go to inspect, okay, yeah. So you can see I got a token. If my login successful, then I got a token. So now our login is working good. So if we see in the question, okay, where is our question? So yeah, at here you can see the login page should be access accessible should be accessed after login, rather redirect a user to home page. If login is successful, then we directly redirect to our home page. So at here we can see we are running login, and after run login function, we can see at here our set oath become true. If this is true, then our is oath become true. So I am going to handle a one more condition. If is oath is true, then I'm going to use a navigate. Navigate. Okay. And in the navigate, the path should be this one. Okay, so path should be this one, and we will see now. Oh, I got token, but I not it's not redirect me on home page. Why? Home page path is not okay. I need to write that return. After write return at here, if I go to it, yeah. So you can see we are on home page, and we can also access our product page because our login is successful. If I go to login, because our login is successful, that's why it's directly redirecting on home page. If I refresh it again, go to, yeah, now I'm going to product page, it not work because it redirect me on login page because login is now unsuccessful. If you are going to again login, yeah, So now I'm going to again copy paste. I'm going to write this is our email ID and this one is our password. And after both are correct, then I go to submit and you can see we are on our home page and we can also access our product page. So now we are going to fetch our data and show all the data on our product page. Yeah, so first of all go to product page and in the product page first of all we are create our use state, our data, set data, use state. So first of all we are taking a blank array. Now we are going to fetch our data. So for this, I am running a fetch data function and I use also a sign cat here. Yeah. So now I am going to use try and catch. Oh, yes. So after that, first of all, I fetch our data from the const response equal to await fetch. In the fetch, we will use our API and our API is, where is our API? They don't give us API. Yeah, I think this one is our API. No, no. I need to go at here. Okay, this one is our API. Use API for product data. So copy it and add here, paste it. So const data. Now we are going to convert our response into our JSON and first console it and see our we are able to access our data or not. So first of all, I also use effect for this. In the use effect, first I create it. Now I am calling my fetch data function, and this is our mounting phase of our data, and this is our dependency array, blank array. So I think all is good. Now go to React app. Okay, now I need to again and again log in. Don't know why. Wait and paste this. Now copy a password, paste it, submit. We are on home page. If I go to product page, at here you can see the data of array. Okay, now we are able to access our old data. So you can see at here data and then again a data. In this data we have array. So now we are going to uh, here I will set our data. Set data and data dot data. Okay, now we have all our data into our this array. So now we are going to using map function. Okay. So yeah, map function map dot okay sorry data dot map. or in the map we have these things, and at here I can write my e dot name. At here I can write e dot whatever into our API. It's brand, category, price, and it type title, and I can say image also. Image and title, price. Okay, brand. And now I'm going to use my e dot price. So after all these things, now go to our again I need to log in at here. First copy password. Submit. Now we are on home page. If I go to product page, okay, my data is not showing. Why data is not accessible? Data.map. Okay, I need to use key also. Key.id. Now I think all thing is right and good. I need to log in again. If I log it again. Hmm. Hey, 1 second. Why product is yeah, Friday is also good. I can take it here. I index and I can write here. Sorry. And now if I'm going to yeah. So now we are able to access our own data. But where is my number? Okay, I did something wrong at here. Hmm. Yeah, this is about page, contact page, home page, login page, and product page, and this is our own data. If you wanna some CSS, then we can use also some CSS at here. Mm, so first of all, style, and this style I am going to write border. Border should be solid. I think it's okay. Solid is what is okay. Yeah. Such a okay, so left it so I don't know what type of error it is giving. So now, so that's all about in this question, and you can access all code. I will push all code on my GitHub repo into my GitHub repo, and at here you can access all code, and you can if you want to practice, then you can also first practice your own, and after that you can see my code and you can practice. So that's all in this question. So thank you.